Hotwheels Chevy Bel Air Gasser 55 is one of the toy car model collections produced by Hot Wheels. This car model has a call number of 241 250ths and was released in 2014 by the Hot Wheels Workshop Series, HW Performance. It has a blue base color with red stripes and Iski Racing Cams logo is the sponsor along with other added colors. The car is equipped with 5 SP wheels and X1634 toy model code. The inside of the car features chrome detailing that provides a luxurious look. The car was made in Malaysia and has a basic code of G02.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.